Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Slack for CRM notifications set up step by step clearly. Open your Slack application. Navigate to the channel where you want to receive CRM notifications. Click on the channel name at the top of the screen. Select Integrations from the drop-down menu. Look for the Add an App option. Search for your specific CRM application in the app directory. Select the CRM app from the search results. Click the Add to Slack button. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your CRM account. You may need to log in to your CRM account during this process. Authorize Slack to access your CRM information. Once connected, return to the Slack integration settings. Configure the notification preferences according to your needs. Choose the events you want to be notified about, such as new leads or updates. Select the specific channel for these notifications. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Click the Save button to apply your changes. Your CRM notifications are now set up in Slack. Test the integration by creating a sample notification in your CRM. Check the selected Slack channel for the test notification. Adjust settings as necessary based on your testing. Your step-by-step configuration is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.